Hello from Fanta BH, new video in new 2020 year. So happy new year to all of you who are with me.
In this video, we'll talk about car replacement LED and what is most known problem with them and most common problem with all of them. You see here on the photo many different models of replacement LED, but they all have same problem and suffer from same problem. This LED in my hands is one I like mostly, I use mostly, and don't think that this one does not suffer from same problem, but there is solution for most common problem, and in this video we will talk about it. Most common problem for all LED is short lifespan. They last, like from my experience, they last 2 to 4 months and then they stop working, start flickering and so on. Problem is caused by too high voltage in your car. Okay, now everybody will say same, but they are rated for our cars. Well, datasheets says clearly 12 volts, so it's designed for 12 volts. Does your car have 12 volts? Believe me, it does not have. Car battery is rated 12 volts, but even car battery, when fully charged, is higher than 12 volts. In one of my old videos, you could see in my car that when engine running, voltage is 14.1 volts, and that is voltage which will power on these LED, and that means that LED working on slightly higher voltage than they are rated. So let's get going with how we can fix the problem and to see what problem in reality is. Here we have two instruments on the left upper corner. Red one is showing current and right one, gray one, showing current voltage. So now we have 12 volts. When we power on LED, it's showing 140 milliamperes. So that is current which flowing through the LED when they work on 12 volts. Now let's rise up voltage to 14 volts and see what's going to happen. You can see slowly as I adjusting voltage, current as well going up, and for this I using my bench power supply which I made, link on the screen. 200 milliamps, very high for this kind of LED. It will shorten life of this LED and it will work during the summer. It can work very short time. During the winter, because good cooling, it can work even few months, but that is all. Don't expect from it too long. This is what I'm going to use to solve this problem. I'm using two resistors in parallel, each 33 ohms, so at the end I have 16.5 ohms resistance. Each resistor is 1 watt power, so in total I have 2 watts at the end, but this LED calculator application on mobile phone telling us that I should use 16 ohms 500 milliwatts resistors. Now I will power on same LED across this resistor. At 14 volts we have 130 milliamps current, so this LED now working in safe range. So even if I rise up voltage slightly, we will keep this LED in safe range, so at the end whatever voltage is in your car when engine running 14 volts, 14.3 volts, it will make this LED work in safe range, and it will make it work for a long time. I should say this is a fully safe modification for your car. There will be no danger for your car at any way. This resistor does not heat up at all. It is calm and it will work without any problems. And it will not affect LED brightness if voltage go down to 12 volts. Still, LED will work and will be shiny and will giving a lot of light. How I placed these resistors into my car, you will see in one of the next videos. Till then, thank you for watching, subscribe, like, or if you don't like, dislike, and see you in next video.